guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's episode is going to be a little different. So we're just driving to one of our local dealers here to pick up a new car for my wife. It's a GLC, it's a 2020 GLC 63. Found a nice package with the sport seats, carbon ceramic, brakes, the Magna paint, which is pretty rare to find in that car, and it's a facelift, so low miles. I think it's gonna be a good replacement for her Tesla. We're gonna go pick it up, bring it back to the shop, and I want to do a little makeover video on it, just to kind of show you what we can do with these cars as well. Mainly we're gonna service everything. So change the oil, change the transmission fluid, diff fluids, inspect the brakes, see if it needs anything else, see if there's any leaks. And we have a set of pure 900 turbos that our friends from ECC Boca sent us. And we're gonna put a set of GT63 fuel pumps on it. Low pressure pump is gonna stay stock because I'm not gonna run any ethanol in it. We'll tune it on pump gas, put downpipes intake that we have in stock at the shop, and I think PPF the car, lower it, and I have a set of wheels coming for it as well. So but the wheels will take a little bit of time. I just ordered them yesterday actually. So yeah, let's see what we can do. So first impressions, drove pretty good overall. Nothing, no issues, no lights. Has decent power like a stock GLC 63. Just needs some more noise. Obviously, with the downpipes and the intake and the bigger turbos, it's gonna sound a little different. But I don't know. What do you think? Should we put it on the dyno and see what it makes stock, and then run it again?
Let's do it. Let's do it.
I think that's a good idea. I think that's what we're gonna do. So we'll probably do all the service on the car. We'll do all the fluids, and probably gonna do plugs at the same time. Might as well. And throw it on the dyno, see what it makes stock. Then we'll pull it off, put the turbos on it, put the downpipes, put the intake on, and do the tuning, and go back on, and probably end up somewhere around 700 wheel horsepower, 750 foot-pounds of torque at the wheels. So let's see. I think the back end is a little jacked up, you see?
Yeah, but
it's
why?
gonna need to...
It's air? No.
It is air. Yeah, so it's gonna need to... we need to scan it, see if there's any faults for suspension, and if not, we'll just throw a set of links on it. Drop the rear, probably adjust the front a bit. I got wheels coming. If we have spacers, we can throw them on for now, just so it looks a little better, because that doesn't look too good.
See if or someone, even your dad, take a very, very, very mild.
I know, I need some
compound.
Yeah,
buff it out.
Pretty good condition underneath.
It's okay, it has a few weird leaks. Like, it was definitely driven, you know what I mean, for some time, so.
Well, it's a sweat, bro. That's not like a leak. That's a sweat. Just wash it, and
we change this one, you have to take the intercoolers.
Oh.
Yeah.
Nice.
Because I have one bolt there and two there on the bottom. Yeah. Maybe
Well, you can't take the intercoolers out without taking the whole fucking front end out. So
yes.
that's not gonna happen.
And also this.
Is it throwing a lot of oil or no?
I don't know. Nima says see oils. I don't know. But to me, it looks like this piece is leaking. This you can change gasket. There's no problem. It's okay. But the coils you need to change soon too.
Yeah.
It's orange already.
Benny, did you order new coils or no?
Yeah.
You did?
Yeah. It's all in your office.
Okay, so all the parts are here. This what you were saying?
Yeah, so these are leaking. This, because it's blowing all through. So what I was saying is, should change these PCVs. Leave these, because there's
Yeah.
a gasket in here.
Yeah.
Change these, wash everything, and that's it.
Yeah.
Should be good. Obviously, fresh coils.
Yeah. He's got coils. Listen, wash it and we'll keep an eye on it. If it's if it gets very fucking oily, then we're gonna have to drop it and do the valve cover.
So what's your thoughts on the car so far, on the condition?
Well, listen, there's some, I don't want to say oil leaks. It's not really like leaks, it's like sweating.
Yeah.
So we're gonna change out the PCVs on both sides because it looks like it's coming from here. But Nima is saying, well, I can see there's some like dried up oil on the side from the valve cover area. So
I would probably start with just cleaning
Yeah.
this, replacing them, washing everything, and then keep an eye on it and see.
for sure. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do.
New coils, new plugs we should do. There's a couple leaks underneath that we should fix.
There was something on the diff, right?
Yeah, it's just a sensor, it's like a copper washer.
So we'll do that.
And then mods.
Yes.
You gotta start modding this bad boy.
So should we dyno it stock or not? That was kind of the question, right? Because
Well, we
it'll save
could.
us a lot of time if we don't. We have dynos of these cars stock. They make like 450 wheel, right? 450, 460, whatever. So I think, I don't know if
That's
there's
up to you, but we can just service it and put it on a dyno.
Yeah.
Just for fun, see what it does.
Look at when I zoom in.
117.
Look at your quarter panel. Look at your doors.
Okay, tell him 120.
No, I know the back was painted for sure.
And here too, I noticed the scratch, but I think the PPF should cover it.
Yeah. Just for reference, you know, this is the red one's a pure 900, and this is a stock one. So look how much bigger that is, right? See the compressor? These manifolds. Then if we decide next year to build this motor or something, then whatever, we'll swap it out. Or maybe we'll just do an E63 engine swap and or something. I think
that's gonna be sick.
That'll be sick. Yeah. Some guy on our YouTube went, actually gave me a good idea. He wrote, put a GTR black crank, flat plane crank into one. That'd be nice. I don't even know if it'll work or not. Should compare the part numbers and see. We're replacing the diverter valves too, so they don't leak. He did this side. See, this side's already halfway done. And look at the other side.
And that's Alcantara, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This Alcantara cleaner works really well.
The false.
The secret sauce. And this is the part that looks weird, you know?
I know you're always right.
sounds like I'm at the dentist.
Are we recording?
Huh?
Are we recording?
They're recording.
So we're installing some Burmeister 3D speakers for Slav because he saw my cool ones and he wanted to be as cool. He got this before he goes in. Then you also installed some paddle shifters so you can shift like me in the videos. And you're also going to change the speakers, the vents to the LED ones. All OEM parts actually, so it'll look perfectly OEM.
So we got an exciting day today. A really cool package showed up from friend Bilal at Eventuri. Thank you for sending this part across and helping us with our little project over here for Slav. Pois boy. Let's open it up and see the quality and how nice this thing is, because we've ordered a build before and we just love it. It's so nice.
Yeah, the quality of the carbon is really good. Always been great. Always. Thank you for making noise in the background.
And we just installed one of F9 LCI today as well. No fitment issues, it was perfect.
Look at that. What a nice piece. Worth every penny.
That's when you get things done properly.
Yeah.
Just a quick recap on what was done on the GLC. We end up replacing the rear rotors, rear pads. We had to replace the air compressor on the suspension because it wasn't working properly. The back end of the car would just stay jacked up, it would never lower. We weren't able to raise the car, lower the car, or do anything with it, and we ended up diagnosing it down to the compressor being faulty. It wouldn't bleed off pressure. So replaced that, fixed the problem. Fixed a bunch of little oil leaks, did all the services on it, put the Pure 900s on, put the Eventuri intake on, black boost downpipes. The car's now ready to go on the dyno. We're gonna put it on, run it, and I'll do all the maps for 91, 94, E20, E30. My wife's most likely gonna drive the car in the lowest power map all the time. But you know, if I ever want to play around with it, have fun, take it to the track or anything else, it has the option.
Alright, so we just brought Slav's car in on the dyno. You guys already saw we did all the service and maintenance on the car and went over a few maintenance items that it needed. Did all the upgrades to it. Intake is in, downpipes are in, turbos are in. Still on stock fuel pumps for now. ECU, TCU, and CPC is also done. The car also has map switching, so I'm going to show you guys that as well. It's mostly going to be driven by Slav's wife, so there's going to be a low boost 91 map. We'll have pump gas 94 maps. There'll probably be like an E20 blend map and maybe like a higher boost E20 map. But it's primarily just going to be driven on 91 or 94 octane. So we'll try and squeeze as much as we safely can with the stock fuel system. So once again, it is on a stock low pressure pump and stock high pressure pumps. There's no meth or anything, factory components. So right now it's in, because the coolant is warm, it's showing that. Map 3, map 4, map 1, map 2, map 3, map 4. pure moonshine, basically. Yes, straight ethanol, 98% ethanol into the tank. We're going to blend it with the 94 octane. That'll bump up the octane. But you can't put too much because the stock fuel pumps can't flow that much. But it'll be just enough to make a bit more power and clean up any variations in the fuel quality, because you know how amazing our fuel is here, especially in the winter. Okay, so that was map 4 with ethanol. Made 712 wheel horsepower and 733 foot-pounds of torque at the wheels. Map 1 for the wife, map 4 for Slav.
So earlier in the video, we installed pure 900s in the car, and that was the plan. You know, we weren't really planning to do anything else beyond that, but we got an opportunity to collaborate with a turbo company out of Europe, who were kind enough to send us a set of prototype M177 LS1 turbos. These are a little bigger than the pure 900s. They're supposed to make somewhere in the 800 wheel horsepower range on either high octane fuel or like an E-blend. So we're gonna need to do pumps on the car, which we're trying to decide now what we go with. Yeah, basically this is what they look like. This company's been in business for a long time. They do lots of BMW products and they want to get into the Mercedes market, so they reached out and we decided to collaborate on this. We'll also be testing a set of LS2 M177 turbos from them as well, which they're here. We'll install them on our G63. These are brand new. They do not require a core exchange, and they are ball bearing. So it should be a great upgrade for somebody who's looking for nice responsive setup, but that can make a decent amount of top end power on the right fuel. So we're excited to put these on and see what we can get out of them. We'll be able to offer these to you guys as part of a package with tuning and everything else that you're gonna need. We're gonna install these on the car, install the upgraded fuel pumps, put it back on the dyno, run it on pump gas, tune it for pump gas, and utilize our map switching, which we already have in the car. Just change it for like a higher E-blend or maybe race fuel, if I ever want to decide to take my wife's car to the track. And we'll do this in the next episode, so like, share, subscribe, and follow us for more.